Every family have some secret to make the regular meal taste better for the family to enjoy. It could be a special herb, seasoning item, or unique broth. In my last food video, I cooked the salted duck, which left me with 3 bowls of duck soup. It is minimally flavored, just salt, peppercorns, and green onions. With the meat and the bones simmered in the water for hours, the soup becomes rich in vitamin and mineral, and tastes delicious. It was the traditional way people in China to keep their immune system strong before the vitamin pills were invented. It is also a great way to add in lots of regular daily meals to make every dish taste better. Today I want to share 3 ways to use the duck soup to bring the flavor of your regular meal up to notch. Let's start with this super easy noodle soup. As a mom, it's hard to roll up sleeves and prepare time-consuming 3-course family meal every day, especially when you're sick, tired, or simply does not want to cook. Here is the easy way out. Pour a pot of water. Add 3 to 4 spoons of duck soup. Keep your duck soup and water ratio under 1 to 5 to prevent the greasing of the soup too much. Wait until the water is boiling. Then add noodles in and let it cook for a few minutes. Stir occasionally. When the noodle is fully cooked, transfer into a bowl. Adjust the taste with a pinch of salt, or I like to use this peppercorn oil to give the taste extra boost. Then garnish with fresh chopped cilantro. It is super easy, nutritious, and delicious. Then next, I like to use the duck soup to saute the veggies. The animal fat stored in the fridge will turn into this off-white color like butter. It naturally adds rich flavor to the dishes. I eat a lot of vegetables every day, but my flavor-craving taste buds will be more satisfied with this added duck soup for better taste. While all the veggies make the dish look so colorful. The duck soup, on the other hand, makes the dish taste flavorful. A little bit light soy sauce is all you need to finish up the dish. The last one is our everyday soup. I washed 3 to 4 radish, slice them down, soak a batch of rice noodles, and a few seaweed flakes. I also chop some cilantros or green onions to get ready for the soup. Pour water in the pot. Add a few spoons of duck soup. When the water is boiling, add in the radish, rice noodle, and the seaweed flake in and let it cook on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Adjust the taste with some light soy sauce or a pinch of salt. Finish with chopped green onion or cilantro. It's one of the items we always have for our dinner table. The soup is just like water, but tastes way better than water with minimal calories to prevent us from overeating. This is my way to make my family meals taste better with only natural ingredients found in my kitchen. What is your secret to make your mealtime the best time the whole family enjoy to get together? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy cooking videos every week. My name is Crystal. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.